Are you tired of your garage door waking up the neighborhood every time it opens or closes? In the Albion Park Rail area, a noisy garage door is often a sign of deeper issues such as the need for lubrication, worn parts, or misalignment. These sounds, whether they are grinding, squeaking, or rattling, are not just annoying. They could be warning signals that your garage door needs immediate attention to prevent further damage. Don't wait for a small noise to become a big problem. Call 0409-774-111 today to have your garage door inspected and repaired by our team of qualified professionals. Make the choice for a smoother, quieter operation right in your own home.